Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add customized navigation menus on Wix Studio. So the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar is we just have to type out Wix Studio and then go to their website, and then after that just make sure that you have logged into your account. So just click on your profile right here at the top right. Okay, and then here you have the option to create a new site or edit your existing site. Okay, so you have your sites right here. So when you choose to create a new site, so just click on create new site and then create studio template or studio blank canvas. After that, I'm just going to use my existing site right here. So this one, what you're going to do next is we are going to add now the menus. As you can see, this site doesn't have a navigation menu. So to add a navigation menu, what we're going to do is to simply click on this plus icon at the top left or the add elements option. So when you click on this one and then go to the menu and search this one under the buttons. Okay, so you'd be able to see here the different menus. So the first menu is the horizontal menus. Next is the vertical menus, anchor menus, hamburger menus, and the breadcrumbs. So for this one, I'll be using the horizontal menus, and when you click on it, you'd be able to see here the different templates that you can use. So you just have to select the perfect template for your website. So for this one, I will be using this template. So you just have to drag and drop it right here. Okay, so navigation menus should be at the top left or top right. Okay, and then the next thing that we are going to do is to customize the navigation menus. So to customize this one is you just have to click on it, and right here at the top left you will then just have to click on the arrow and you'll be able to see this settings. So now let us try to go to the responsive behavior. So I'll be choosing the relative width. Next is for the design. So what do you want to change? So here we have the menu container. So if you wish to add a layer, you can do that. So I'm just going to change the color right here. Okay, so I think this one would do, and then just close it. Next is the opacity. Okay, so you just have to adjust the opacity after selecting the color. Next one is the borders. So if you wish to adjust the borders, you just have to unlock this one and start editing. Okay, next is the corners. So just do the same. You have to unlock this one and then adjust the pixels for your corners. Next one, if you wish to add a shadow, you just have to simply click on the plus icon right here. You just have to select the color of your shadow. So this is the shadow settings. Okay, so I'll be using this color for our shadow. And then close this one after that. Then the next one is the layout. So you just have to unlock this one as well and then just have to edit. Next thing that we are going to talk about is how we can add another menu for this section. So just click on it, and right here you have an option to select if which menu is displayed. So right here we have the menu, and then we have this different options under our menu. So we have home, contacts, shirts, and fonts. So if you wish to reorder, you just have to press and hold and drag it at the very top or arrange it accordingly. So now if we wish to add an item, you just have to click on the add item option. So we have here main pages, dynamic and app pages, link, submenu or submenu title, and the drop down. So for this one, I'll be adding a new page for our main pages. So we have contact. So we have here the current page, which is the home page. So here we also have terms and conditions and more. So I'll be adding the shipping policy as well. And then just click on apply. So since there are menus has been added to the section, we have to adjust this one. Okay, so you just have to stretch it. And then after that, the next thing that we are going to do is to try if we can add another menu. Okay, so right here, if you wish to add a new menu, just click on this one and then just create a title for your menu, and then just have to select it if you want it to be displayed at the top. Okay, next one is if you want to make this specific menu right here a sub menu for a specific menu, you just have to drag that menu and then move it to the right. Okay, so once this one is under the menu, so it becomes the sub menu for that main menu. Okay, so let us try to preview this one. So just click on this eye icon at the top right. So when we click on home, we have here the contact. Since we moved the contact under the home, so this one became the submenu for the home. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do, let's go back to the home page first. Okay, and then we have to check if this menu is responsive to the tablet view and mobile view as well. Okay, so to check that, just go here at the tab and then click on the tablet view, and as you can see right here, the menus is not dot responsive for the tablet view. So what we are going to do is we have to hide this one and then replace it with hamburger menus. What you're going to do is to click on it and then click on the three dots. Okay, so let me just click on the three dots, and then after clicking on the three dots, be able to see here the hide option, so just click on it. Okay, so now that you have hide the menus, you just have to click on the plus option at the top left, and then go to the menu and search, go to breadcrumbs, and then go to hamburger menus, and then drag and drop it right here, the hamburger menu. Okay, that's right. And then after that, let me just place it right here. Now let's go to the mobile view. So let me just preview this one first. So when you click on this one, you'd be able to see here the menus. Okay, so let us proceed to the mobile view. Let me just check first the desktop view if the menus are still the same. Okay, so it's all good. Now let us proceed to the mobile view. So just click on mobile, and what you're going to do here is to place the hamburger menus to the correct location. Okay, so here we have to adjust it, and then next thing that we should do is to preview this one and try it if this one is working. So as you can see, this one is responsive as well. So let's go to the tablet view, and the last one is the desktop view. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.